Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we seen introduction to profit and loss, and also we have solved one problem on profit and loss. In this video, we are going to see type 2 problems on profit and loss and see how to solve these problems within 5 to 10 seconds and without touching pen. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay. A shopkeeper purchased 60 kg of potatoes for rupees 240 and sold the whole lot at the rate of rupees 6 per kg. What will be his gain percent? Okay. 60 kg he has bought, that means his cost price is 240 rupees. Now he is selling at 6 rupees per kg. Sir, he is selling whole lot at 6 rupees per kg. That means his selling price is 6 multiplied by 60 kg. Okay, so that means 360 rupees his selling price SP, and this is my cost price CP. Sir, if I want to find the profit, that means profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Sir, what is my profit? Profit is nothing but 360 minus 240, which is nothing but 120. Easy. Sir, if I want to find profit percent, that means how much I have got the main increase profit percentage, I have to compare it with my cost price. Okay, that means price at which I have bought. Sir, which that means the price was 240. That means how much this 120 is for 240? Okay, so profit percent is nothing but 120 120 this. Okay, sorry, my 120 divided by 240, which is my cost price, multiply by 100. Sir, this 0 goes. Sir, 12 2s are 24. That's why it will become 1 by 2. Sir, 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. 0.5 multiplied by 100 is nothing but my 50%. Okay, guys. Sir, we got the answer. Correct, guys. But this is this my optimized way of solving this type of problems? No, sir. As I promised you guys, we will be solving all the problems without touching pen and within 5 to 10 seconds. But this problem is taking more time because the numbers are very big. Okay, the larger the number, the more time you will take to calculate. Okay, so this is not the optimized way of solving. Let's say how we can reduce the time for calculation. Okay, so this is my approach number 1. Okay, sir, I am buying 60 kg at 240 rupees. That means what will be my per kg price? 6 by 24, which is nothing but my 6 4s are 24, na? That means 4 rupees per kg. This is my cost price. Okay, cost price per kg. Sir, I am selling, my selling price per kg is how much? 6 rupees per kg. Okay, guys, that means my profit per kg how much? 2 rupees per kg. 6 minus 4, na? This selling price minus cost price. Sir, how much this 2 is of in terms of 4 when we compare? So 2 by 4, which is nothing by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiplied by 100, which is nothing but 50%. We got our answer. Easy, na? So moral of the story is, in the exam we have to minimize the calculation, because the smaller the number you have, the faster you will be able to calculate. So in the exam you have to figure out out by yourself. That means how can you minimize the calculation? Okay guys, so this was a takeaway from this problem. So let's take another example. A shopkeeper purchased 11 pens for rupees 10 and sells them at the rate of 10 pence for rupees 11. Okay, sir, he bought, that means his cost price for 11 pen is nothing but how much? 10 rupees. 10 rupees. And he is selling 10 pens at 11 rupees. Okay, 10 pen at 11 rupees. Sir, if I want to find the profit, okay, that means I have to get to know what is the my one pen price. Okay, so my one pen price will be 10 by 11. This 11 goes to this side. And what is my selling price for one pen? Selling price will be my 11 by 10. Okay, so this is my selling price. This is my cost price. Profit will be how much? Selling price minus cost price. Sir, how much it is? It is nothing but my selling price of 10 by 10 by 11. No, 11 by 10 minus 10 by 11, which is my cost price. So this is my how much? This is my profit, but I want to find profit percent. That means I have to compare it with who? With cost price. So whatever value I got, I have to compare it with my my cost price, and then again I have to multiply it by 100. Then only I will get profit percent. But students, see that how much time we will take to solve this problem, like 11 by 10, then again 10 by 11. We have to use, we like मुझे ये सॉल्व करने के लिए पेन यूज करना पड़ेगा, और पेन यूज करना पड़ेगा मतलब डेफिनेटली मेरा 1 to 2 मिनट तो जाएगा ही जाएगा. Okay, so how can we optimize the approach? Okay, are you understanding? If you want to optimize this problem, let's take an example. I am buying 5 chocolates at 10 rupees and selling 5 chocolates at 11 rupees. I will repeat, I am buying 5 chocolates at 10 rupees and selling 5 chocolates at 11 rupees. How much profit am I getting? 1 rupees. Sir, how did you calculate? Sir, because I am buying and selling the same quantity, that is my 5 chocolates, and my price increased by 1 rupees. That's why my profit is 1 rupees. That was logic, na? That means if I want to find my percentage increase or my profit or loss decrease increase, okay, that means for that my quantity should be same. If I'm buying 5 chocolates, I have to sell 5 chocolates only. Then only I can calculate easily. Okay. So now look at the problem. I am buying 11 pens but selling 10 pens. Okay. If I want to find this my profit, I have to make this both the values equals. Okay. Now I can't do like this, adding one more pen here and doing something. This is not happen. Okay. That means I have to find such calculation so that both will be equal. Okay. So to make it equal, what do? We find LCM. What we will do? we will multiply 11 from 1 to till that value such that my 10 multiplication will be the same, मतलब वो 10 के मल्टीप्लिकेट्स में आना चाहिए. अभी 10 के मल्टीप्लिकेट्स कैसे रहेंगे? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 19, 100, 110, 120 ऐसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन रहेंगे. और 11 के मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे रहेंगे? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Correct. I have to find this a common least common multiplicand. That is why I have to find LCM. So if I observe my 11 tens are is 110 and my 10 multiplied by 11 is 110. Okay, that means now my value of pen is same, 110 pen and 110 pen. Are you understanding? 10 multiplied by 1, sorry, 10 multiplied by 11, 110, and 11 multiplied by 10, 110. That means I have to multiply this 11 to this. That means my value will become now 11 will become 121, because 11 multiplied by 11 is nothing but 11 square. 11 square is nothing but my 121, and my this 10 multiplied by 10 is nothing but my 100. So this is my cost price, this is my selling price. My profit will be 21, and I have to compare it with my whose value? Cost price. Cost price is 100. So 21 is 100 is how much? So 21%. Na? Okay. Are you understanding? Sir, how much? 21% increase हो रहा है. So this is my value. Okay, simple. Let's take another example. Now you will get to know. Now I will not touch the pen. Huh? See how am I approaching the problem, and without touching pen am I solving? Huh? A vegetable seller purchased 54 kg of carrot at rupees 1500 and sold 80 kg of at rupees 600. Find his profit and loss. Sir, is this my buying and selling quantities are same? No, sir. That means I have to make it equal. So to make it equal, I have to find LCM. Okay. So what I will do? This is bigger value, na? I will try to make this value as similar to this 54. Sir, 8 ones are 80. Sorry, 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are my 36, and 18 threes are 54. That means I have to multiply this 18 multiply by 3 and 600 multiply by 3. So 6 threes are 18, and that means 600 multiply by 3 is 1800. Okay, that means to make it visualize, 54 kg 1500. Initially I am selling 18 kg for 600, but by the help of LCM now I am selling 54 kg 1800. Sir, tell me what is the difference? Okay, one value extra there. Sorry guys. Tell me how much? 300 more. Sir, how much is 300 of my 1500 in the form of percentage? Sir, 3 by 15 karo, because this 0 goes na. 1 by 5. Sir, 1 by 5 kitna hai? Tell me. 0.20. 0.20 multiplied by 100. 20%. This is my value. If you are not understood, watch it again. You will be able to understand. Now I hope you have understood, guys. I will give you one assignment problem. A shopkeeper purchased 40 books at rupees 100 and sold 20 books at rupees 60. Find his profit or loss per sale. Okay guys, so I hope you have understood. Please do like this video, share with your friends, and please do comment. That means this assignment problem का answer मुझे comment में बताओ. And do not forget to like, sorry, do not forget to subscribe I will meet you in the next video with another type of the profit and loss. Until then, goodbye.